are presenting about our project sorting product price using the selection sort. Our group number is 18. These are our group members. And here I am explaining about the introduction of the selection sort. Selection sort is one of the easiest sorting technique and is the process of arranging the product price in the increasing order. From the given product price array, we can divide this array into two sub-arrays. One is sorted product price array and another one is unsorted product price array. From the given product price, we can find the minimum product price and swap the minimum product price with the first product price. So do this process until the array is sorted. And coming to the problem statement, design and implement the sorting algorithm using the selection sort. So first we have to take the input as the unsorted product price and give the output as a sorted product price. Now my friend will continue this algorithm.
Algorithm. First step, we have to take an unsorted array and we are in the first element, like in an array, we have to take the first element as the product price. And with this first element, we have to find the minimum of the minimum element in the array. After finding the minimum element, we have to swap these elements with product price and minimum. For example, and we have to repeat this process. And we have to repeat this process until the array is sorted. For example, here 5, 2, 9, 6, 4. This is an array. This is the product price. And we have to find the minimum by using this and less than this. Like 2 is less than, so this is minimum. We have to swap this 2, like 2, 5, 9, 6, 4. Again, this array is divided into two halves, sorted and unsorted. So this is the product price now. 5 is the product price now. We have to find the minimum product price. So 9 is less wrong. 6 is wrong. So 4 is less than 5. So what? This is the minimum, and we have to swap these elements. Again, 2, 4, 9, 6, 5. And here there are two parts. This is sorted and this is unsorted. Now this is the product price. We have to find the minimum. So 6 is minimum. Okay, fine. We have to compare again 6, 5. 5 is minimum. So what? 5 is minimum now. We have to swap 5 and 9. 2, 4, 5, 6, 9. So this is the sorted one. So this is how the selection sort works.
Hi guys, I'm Prem, and I'm going to explain the selection sort of prices of the product. And this code is sorting the prices of the product. And now we have to take initializing the now we have to take the function as a selection sort, and these are the parameters: float price and intent. And we have to initialize the I, j, and min index. We have to these I and j using in the loops, and we have to and the temp also it is a one variable. And in this loop we have to consider I is equal to 0 and I less than n minus 1 and I plus plus, and the min index is a variable and it is equal to the I, and it is the loop, and inside the loop these loop is a it is used to unsorted the array, and this loop is the prices of the product. It will be sorted, and what in the price of the product, which element is the low, means which element is the least. It will be this loop will be take the value of the product, and here the j is equal to I plus 1 and j less than n and j plus plus. Here if price of j less than price of min index, here the min index is equal to j. For example, while the satisfying the condition price of j and is less than price of min index, the outside the loop, these helps to the swap the prices of the product. Here the temp, here we initialize the temp is equal to float. Here the temp is equal to price of I, and price of I is equal to price of min index, and price of min index is equal to temp. These helps to the swap the values of the product prices. And in the main function we have initialized the int I and n, and the print statement is equal to enter the number of product pages, and we have to scan the n values, means how many prices of the product we have entered, and now the enter the product prices, how many prices will have, means here the loop I is equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. Here we enter the number of product prices. Here the function that's a selection sort. Here we have void selection sort and printf. Here after the selection sort, the values, means in the order the product prices, the sort product prices, it will be printed here.
Here I will continue from the time complexity. In this code, at the first for loop, I starts from 0 and ends at n minus 1. At the second for loop, j starts from I plus 1 and ends at n. And here, so here I starts from 0 and j starts from 1 and ends at n. So the time complexity is O of n minus 1. And I starts from 1 and j starts from 2 and ends at n. So the time complexity is O of n minus 2. And I starts from 2 and j starts from 3. So it ends at n. So the time complexity is O of n minus 3. And this one I ends at n minus 1 and j starts at n minus 1 plus 1, 2, and I ends at n. So the time complexity is O of n minus n. And we have to sum all these time complexities. O of n minus 1 plus O of n minus 2 plus O of n minus 3 and so on, plus O of n minus n. N minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus n minus 3 plus so on n minus n. So we have to common the all n's. N is n times, so n into n plus and we have to take the common minus, and 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on n square minus this is the sum of the n terms, so n into n plus 1 by 2. So we have to neglect all the constant terms, so finally we will come O of n square. This is time complexity. So the time complexity of all the cases is O of n square, because at any condition, at any cases the comparison is same, so the time complexity is O of n square. Coming to the space complexity, this space complexity of all the cases is O of 1, because in this code we didn't use any extra variable and extra array we declared, so the space complexity of all the cases is O of 1. Coming to the advantages, it is simple and easy to understand for sorting prices, and it sorts the prices within the same list, and so no extra memory is needed. And if there is less prices and few product prices, this selection sort works well. And coming to the disadvantages, it becomes slow when sorting a large number of product prices, and products with the same prices may not be keep their original order. And coming to the last point, it still compares and check all items even if they are in sorted order also. Now my friend will continue this conclusion.
Conclusion. Selection sort is very easy and logical algorithm. It works by repeatedly finding larger and smaller element in the unsorted array and swapping these elements to the correct position. Although it is inefficient for larger data types because of its time complexity, order of n square. And it is useful for memory usage because of its space complexity, order of 1. Although there are many algorithms like quicksort, merge sort are easier than the selection sort, this selection sort remains an important educational tool and it is easy for beginners. Thank you.